Alright, here we have a handheld vacuum cleaner. I'm going to pop open the tape and see what's inside. See, it comes pretty well packaged in this box. You can tell exactly what it is. Getting it open. Just go this way. There we go. Okay, you see you have the instruction booklet. Here is the vacuum. Comes nice and securely packed. Fits in my hand well. Get the button here to take this piece off, it looks like. For emptying it out and cleaning it. There's different modes. You can hear motor kick up as I hit the button again. Put this back for a second and see what else we have here. This would be your charging station. You have an additional filter. Looks like you have some attachments in here as well. I want to change up the head. Yeah, looks pretty good.